Hey there. Ever thought about turning your passion into a side hustle or even a full-blown online business?
Hmm.
We're talking about the world of digital products.
Okay.
Things like online courses,
Yeah.
templates, even apps,
Right.
and how AI is making it easier than ever to create and sell them.
Definitely. Yeah.
Get this,
Okay.
some folks are predicting that online courses alone
Oh, wow.
could be a multi-billion-dollar market in just a few years.
Really?
That's a whole lot of potential income just waiting to be tapped.
Yeah.
So are you ready to deep dive into the AI creator economy?
Let's do it.
Let's unpack how it all works.
Okay.
Explore some cool AI tools you can use
Sounds good.
and uncover the secrets to turning your digital creations into profit.
I am.
All right, it's going to be a fascinating deep dive.
Yeah, it really is. It's a fascinating time to be a creator
Definitely.
because you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
The barriers to entry are lower than ever before.
That's incredible.
What used to require a whole team of specialists can now be done by one person with the right AI tools.
I can already see how this is going to be super useful.
Yeah.
But before we go any further,
Sure.
let's make sure we're on the same page.
Right.
For someone who's completely new to this,
Uh-huh.
how would you explain what the creator economy is all about?
So think of it as a space where individuals like you and me
Okay.
can build a business around our own knowledge skills
Mm-hmm.
and creativity.
Got it.
It's a shift away from traditional jobs
Okay.
and towards creating and selling digital products
Interesting.
directly to an audience.
So it's not just about being a YouTuber or influencer.
Not at all.
Okay.
It's much broader than that.
Got it.
Anyone who creates and shares valuable content online can be part of the creator economy.
I see.
We're talking about authors,
Uh-huh.
educators,
Yeah.
designers,
Okay.
coaches,
Mm.
even developers.
Right.
If you have a passion or expertise that you can share digitally, you have the potential to build a business around it.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Now, where do digital products fit into all of this?
They're at the heart of it.
Okay.
Digital products are perfect for the creator economy because they're scalable.
That makes sense.
You create them once,
Uh-huh.
and you can sell them an unlimited number of times
Wow.
without having to worry about manufacturing,
Right.
shipping,
Yeah.
or inventory.
That's a game changer, right?
Huge.
No more late nights packing boxes.
Exactly.
So what are some examples of digital products that people are creating and selling?
Oh, the possibilities are endless.
Okay.
We're seeing everything from eBooks
Yeah.
and online courses
Uh-huh.
to design templates,
Okay.
stock photos,
Got it.
and even software applications.
Whoa, even software.
Yeah,
That sounds pretty complex.
it might sound daunting,
Yeah.
but that's where AI comes in.
Okay.
You don't necessarily need to be a coding whiz to create your own app these days. There are AI-powered tools and no-code platforms that can help you build functional apps, even without any prior programming experience.
Hold on.
Yeah,
You're telling me I could potentially build my own app?
it's possible.
That's blowing my mind. Okay, I definitely need to hear more about these AI tools.
Okay, sure.
What are some of the most popular ones that creators are using to develop these digital products?
Let's start with ChatGPT,
Okay.
which is making waves in the writing world.
Yeah, I've heard of that one.
This AI tool can help you generate high-quality written content
Uh-huh.
in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually.
I can imagine.
Imagine writing an entire ebook in just a few hours.
Wow, that would have taken me weeks, if not months.
For sure.
And you mentioned no-code platforms for apps.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Platforms like Bubble and Glide are becoming incredibly popular.
Yeah.
They allow you to visually design and build apps using drag-and-drop interfaces,
Uh-huh.
eliminating the need for complex coding.
So you don't need to know any code at all?
Not necessarily.
Wow.
And here's where it gets even more interesting.
Okay.
You can actually integrate AI tools like ChatGPT's API into these no-code platforms
Oh, wow.
to create even more sophisticated and intelligent applications.
That sounds super powerful.
It is.
Are there any other AI tools that are particularly helpful for creators?
Oh, there's so many.
Okay.
Canva, for example, is a game changer for anyone who needs to create visually appealing graphics,
Yeah.
social media posts, presentations,
Right.
or even marketing materials.
Got it.
It's incredibly user-friendly and has a ton of built-in AI features to help you create professional-looking designs, even if you have no prior design experience.
So even if I can barely draw a stick figure, I could still create some amazing visuals.
Pretty much.
That's reassuring. What about video? That
Yeah.
seems like a whole other level of complexity.
Don't worry, AI's got you covered there too.
Really?
Platforms like Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos without ever needing to be on camera.
So no more stage fright. Okay.
You can choose from a library of AI avatars,
Oh, wow.
customize their appearance and voice,
Cool.
and have them deliver your script.
So it's like having a virtual spokesperson.
Pretty much.
That's amazing.
It's perfect for creating online course content,
Yeah.
marketing videos, explainer
Yeah,
videos,
right.
and much more.
I'm starting to see the potential here. It seems like AI is taking care of a lot of the heavy lifting that used to be really time-consuming and expensive.
Definitely.
So let's say I've got this brilliant idea for a digital product,
Okay.
and I'm ready to start creating it using these amazing AI tools.
Right.
What's next?
Good question.
How do I actually make money from it?
That's the million-dollar question, right?
Yeah.
The good news is that there are a ton of monetization strategies you can use to turn your digital creations into profit.
All right, I'm all ears.
And we're going to break those down for you right after a quick...
Wait, hold on. Don't leave us hanging. I'm dying to know how to turn this into a money-making machine.
All right. I get your enthusiasm.
Let's
dive right into those monetization strategies.
Perfect.
One popular approach is direct sales.
Okay.
You can sell your eBooks, templates, or courses directly through platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, or even your own website.
Direct sales seem pretty straightforward. What's the advantage of going that route?
It gives you a lot of control over your pricing and branding.
Got it.
And you get to keep a larger share of the profits.
Right.
Compared to selling through third-party marketplaces.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Plus, you can build a direct relationship with your customers, which is invaluable for long-term success.
I can see how that would be appealing to someone who's just starting out and wants to build their own brand.
Exactly.
But what if I'm looking for a more predictable income stream?
That's where subscription models come in. Platforms like Patreon and Substack allow you to build a loyal community of paying subscribers who get access to exclusive content, early access to new releases, or even personalized support and feedback.
It's like building your own little fan club with extra perks.
Kinda.
I like that idea. But what if my product is more of a one-time purchase, like a template or an ebook?
You could still incorporate subscriptions by offering ongoing updates. Or supplementary materials.
I see.
Or even creating a membership community around your niche.
Interesting.
It's all about finding ways to add value and keep your audience engaged over time.
So there's a lot of flexibility in how you can structure your monetization strategy.
Absolutely.
Are there any other approaches that creators are using to make money from their digital products?
Definitely. You can explore licensing and partnerships.
All right.
Let's say you've created some awesome AI-generated artwork or music. You could license those assets for commercial use.
Oh, that's interesting.
By other creators or businesses.
So other people can use my creations in their own projects.
Exactly.
That's a cool way to generate passive income from your creations. And what about partnerships?
Partnerships can be incredibly powerful. You could team up with other creators in your niche to co-create and cross-promote products. Or you could partner with brands to develop and market products that align with their target audience.
Yeah.
The possibilities are endless.
This is all starting to sound pretty exciting.
Yeah.
But I have to admit, I'm still a little skeptical.
Really?
Is it really that easy to create a successful business using AI and digital products?
It depends.
It all seems almost too good to be true.
Well, it's not magic.
Right.
It still takes work, dedication,
Yeah.
and a willingness to learn and adapt.
I agree.
But AI is definitely lowering the barriers to entry.
Yeah.
And making it possible for more people to turn their passions into profitable businesses.
Okay, I'm ready to hear about some real-world success stories.
Okay, sure.
Can you give me some examples of creators who have actually made this work?
Absolutely. Let's start with a story of a designer who used Canva and AI to build a thriving business selling design templates.
Okay, tell me more about that.
Yeah, so this designer realized that a lot of small business owners struggle with creating marketing materials that look professional.
Yeah, I can see that.
So they started designing templates for social media posts, presentations, even website layouts.
Wow, so a whole range of stuff.
All using Canva and some AI-powered design tools.
So they're combining the power of Canva with AI.
Exactly.
That's smart.
Then they listed these templates on Etsy and Creative Market.
That's smart. They found a pain point and created an easy solution. Plus, once they've made the template, they can sell it over and over again.
Passive income.
And here we come.
You got it. It's a brilliant example of how AI can help you tap into a niche market
Yeah.
and create a scalable product.
Okay, that's one awesome example. What about folks who aren't designers?
Can AI help people with other skills build a successful business too?
Absolutely. I've got a great example of an educator
Okay.
who used AI to create and sell online courses. They
Interesting.
had a ton of knowledge in their field,
Yeah,
but making traditional video courses was just too time-consuming.
I can imagine. So how did AI help them overcome that hurdle?
Well, they used ChatGPT
Okay.
to structure their course content
Yeah.
and write the scripts for each lesson.
Interesting. So AI was doing a lot of the writing for them?
Very much.
Okay.
Then they took it a step further
Okay.
and used a platform like Synthesia
Right.
to create professional-looking videos for each lesson,
Wow.
using AI avatars and voiceovers.
So they didn't even have to be on camera.
Exactly. That way they could produce high-quality video content
Yeah.
without needing to be on camera or hire a whole production crew.
Wow. That's incredibly efficient.
It is.
So they basically streamlined the entire course creation process with AI. What did they do with the course once it was ready? They hosted it on a platform like Teachable or Udemy,
Oh,
where they could reach a global audience.
makes sense.
And guess what?
What?
They started making serious money from it.
That's amazing. You shows that you don't have to be a tech whiz to leverage AI and create a profitable online business.
Yeah, it's really leveling the playing field.
Okay, so we've seen how AI can help designers and educators,
Hmm.
but what about someone who's got a more technical skill set? Can AI help them too?
Definitely. We've got a fantastic example of a solopreneur who used no-code tools and AI to build a niche productivity app.
Okay, I have to hear. Tell me about this no-code app wizard.
All right, so this person noticed that people in a certain industry were struggling with a really tedious task.
Okay.
Let's say it was a complicated calculation that they had to do manually every single day.
So they saw an opportunity to automate that task and make everyone's lives easier?
Exactly. They used a no-code platform,
Okay.
something like Bubble or Glide,
Yeah.
which lets you build apps visually without writing code. And they combine that with the power of ChatGPT's API
Interesting.
to create an app that could automate this calculation.
So they basically took the best of both worlds, the ease of no-code and the intelligence of AI,
Yeah.
and created something really useful. What happened next?
They launched their app on the app stores, making it available to thousands of potential users in that industry.
Wow.
And to monetize it, they used a combination of direct sales and subscription models.
Smart. That's incredible. It just goes to show that with a little creativity and the right tools, anyone can potentially build a successful business using AI.
Absolutely.
This is all so inspiring, but I'm also curious about the potential downsides.
Okay.
Are there any risks or challenges that creators should be aware of when using AI?
That's a great question. While AI offers incredible opportunities,
Yeah.
it's important to be aware of the potential pitfalls.
Okay.
One thing to keep in mind is that AI is still in its early stages of development,
Right.
and the output it generates may require some editing and refinement.
So it's not perfect right out of the box.
Not always.
Huh.
It's essential to maintain quality control
Yeah.
and ensure that the final product reflects your unique voice and expertise.
So it's more of a collaboration between human creativity and AI capabilities, right? It's not about replacing humans altogether.
Exactly. Think of AI as your creative partner, not a replacement.
I like that.
You're the one steering the ship,
Okay.
bringing your vision and expertise to the table,
Yeah,
while AI helps you execute your ideas more efficiently and effectively.
that makes a lot of sense. Now let's shift gears and talk about monetization strategies in more detail.
Okay.
Earlier, you mentioned direct sales, subscriptions,
Yeah.
and licensing.
Right.
Are there any other strategies that creators should consider?
Absolutely. There are a few other interesting approaches worth exploring.
Okay, I'm listening.
One is affiliate marketing,
Okay.
where you partner with other businesses and promote their products or services to your audience in exchange for a commission.
That sounds like a win-win.
It is.
The creator gets to monetize their platform, and the business gets access to a targeted audience. Are there any specific platforms that are particularly well-suited for affiliate marketing?
There are tons of options out there.
Okay.
Amazon Associates is a popular way for physical products,
Right.
while platforms like Share a Sale and CJ Affiliate connect you with a wider range of digital and physical products to promote.
Got it.
You can also reach out directly to businesses in your niche and see if they have an affiliate program.
So there's no shortage of opportunities to earn affiliate income.
Nope.
What are some other monetization strategies that creators can explore?
Another avenue is offering coaching or consulting services related to your digital products.
Okay.
For instance, the designer selling Canva templates could also offer personalized design consultations to help clients customize the templates to their specific needs.
So they're essentially leveraging their expertise to provide additional value and generate a higher income. That's a smart strategy. What if you've built a strong community around your digital products? Are there any ways to monetize that community aspect?
Absolutely.
Mm.
For creators who have a loyal following,
Yeah.
there's the option of running workshops or masterclasses,
Okay.
either online or in person.
Cool.
These events provide a more interactive and personalized learning experience
I see.
and can be a great way to connect with your audience on a deeper level while generating revenue.
It seems like the possibilities are endless, but with so many options.
Yeah, it can be overwhelming.
How do creators choose the right monetization strategies for their products?
That's the million-dollar question. There's no one-size-fits-all answer.
Right.
The best approach is to consider your target audience,
Okay.
your business goals,
Yeah.
and the type of value you're offering.
Got it.
For example, if you're selling a high-ticket course,
Mm-hmm.
a direct sales or subscription model might make more sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But if you're selling low-cost templates,
Okay.
affiliate marketing or advertising could be a more viable option.
It all comes back to understanding your audience and crafting a strategy that aligns with their needs and preferences.
Exactly.
Is there anything else creators should keep in mind when choosing a monetization strategy?
It's also important to experiment and be flexible.
Okay.
What works for one creator might not work for another.
Right.
Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what resonates best with your audience.
Yeah, that's good advice.
You might even find that a combination of different strategies works best for your business.
That's great advice. So to sum it up, it sounds like the AI creator economy is all about empowering individuals to build businesses around their passions and leverage AI to streamline the process, right?
You got it. The beauty of the AI creator economy is that it's accessible to anyone with a good idea.
Yeah,
The willingness to learn and the drive to succeed.
I agree.
It's a truly level playing field where creativity and innovation are rewarded.
This has been incredibly insightful. It's clear that the AI creator economy is rapidly evolving,
Right.
and creators need to stay ahead of the curve to succeed.
Absolutely. The future of the creator economy is bright,
Yeah.
but it's going to be driven by those who are willing to embrace new technologies and adapt to the changing landscape.
So if someone is listening to this and they're thinking about diving into the AI creator economy, what would be your advice to them? Where should they start?
The first step is to identify your passions and skills.
Okay.
What are you good at?
Yeah.
What do you enjoy doing?
Right.
Once you have a clear idea of your strengths,
Uh-huh.
you can start exploring how AI can help you create a digital product around those skills.
Okay.
Then it's all about learning the tools,
Right.
experimenting,
Yeah.
and connecting with your audience.
That's great advice. And the good news is there are so many resources available online to help you get started.
Definitely.
There are free courses,
Yeah.
tutorials, and communities dedicated to supporting creators in the AI age.
It's a great time to be a creator.
Yeah. It's never been easier to learn new skills and build a business around your passions.
Exactly. The key is to take action and start experimenting.
Okay.
Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works.
I like that.
The AI creator economy is all about embracing the possibilities and creating something truly unique and valuable.
This has been a fantastic deep dive into the AI creator economy.
Yeah, it has.
We've covered so much ground, from understanding the fundamentals to exploring real-world success stories and practical strategies for monetization.
Absolutely.
But before we wrap up,
Okay.
I have one final question for you.
All right. Sure.
As we navigate this exciting new landscape,
Yeah.
I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the evolving relationship between human creativity and AI.
Interesting.
With AI becoming more sophisticated,
Uh-huh.
are there any concerns about its potential impact on originality and authenticity in the creative process?
That's a thought-provoking question.
Yeah, it's something I've been thinking about a lot lately.
And it's one that's at the forefront of many discussions about the future of creativity.
Yeah, for sure.
It's true that AI is becoming increasingly capable of generating impressive creative output,
Right.
from writing compelling stories to composing beautiful music and designing stunning visuals.
And that raises questions, right? Like, where do we draw the line between AI assistance and genuine human creativity?
Exactly. And it's a line that's constantly shifting as AI technology continues to advance.
It's hard to keep up sometimes.
It is. It's important to remember that AI, at its core, is a tool.
Okay.
It's a powerful tool that can augment and enhance our creative capabilities.
Right.
But it's not a replacement for human ingenuity,
Yeah.
imagination, and the unique perspectives that we bring to the creative process.
So you're saying that instead of fearing AI as a threat to creativity, we should see it as a collaborative partner,
Exactly.
a way to push the boundaries of what's possible and explore new creative frontiers.
Absolutely. AI can help us overcome creative blocks,
Yeah.
generate new ideas,
Uh-huh.
and explore uncharted territories.
Interesting.
It can also handle repetitive or time-consuming tasks,
Right.
freeing us up to focus on the more strategic and conceptual aspects of our creative work.
That's a really empowering perspective. So in a sense, AI can actually help us become more creative
Yeah,
by taking care of the mundane and allowing us to tap into our true creative potential.
exactly. It's about finding the right balance between human input and AI assistance,
Yeah.
leveraging the strengths of both to create something truly extraordinary.
I love that idea. It's about embracing the possibilities of AI while staying true to our own unique creative vision. This has been such an enlightening conversation. So as we wrap up our deep dive into the AI creator economy,
Okay.
what's the one key takeaway that you want listeners to remember?
I think the most important message is that the AI creator economy is full of opportunities.
Yeah.
For anyone who's willing to embrace new technologies and explore creative ways to share their passions and skills with the world.
It's about empowering individuals to build businesses that align with their values and create a life they love, right?
Absolutely. The AI creator economy is all about freedom,
Yeah.
flexibility, and the power to turn your dreams into a reality.
That's a beautiful sentiment.
Thanks.
And it's a perfect note to end on. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
You're welcome.
This has been a truly inspiring and insightful conversation.
It's been my pleasure. I'm always excited to talk about the transformative power of the AI creator economy.
I can tell.
And for all of you listening, remember, the future of creativity is in your hands.
That's right. Don't be afraid to experiment, innovate, and create something amazing.
I agree.
And who knows, maybe you'll be the next AI creator economy success story we feature on the deep dive. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the AI creator economy. Thanks for joining us on the deep dive. So you're saying we shouldn't be afraid of AI taking over,
Right.
but rather think about how to use it as a creative boost.
Exactly.
Mhm.
It's like having a superpowered brainstorming partner who can help you flesh out ideas
Yeah.
and overcome those moments when you feel stuck.
That's such a cool way to think about it.
Yeah.
This whole conversation has really opened my eyes to the possibilities of the AI creator economy.
I agree.
It feels like a real game changer
It is.
for anyone who's passionate about creating and sharing their work.
I totally agree. It's democratizing creativity in a way we've never seen before.
Yeah, it really is.
It's giving individuals the tools and resources to build businesses that were once only accessible to big companies or those with deep pockets.
And it's not just about making money, right?
Yeah.
It's about giving people the freedom to pursue their passions,
Yeah.
work on their own terms, and build something they truly believe in.
Absolutely. It's about aligning your work with your values
Yeah.
and having the flexibility to design a lifestyle that fits your needs.
I think that's what I find most inspiring about the AI creator economy.
Mhm.
It's not just a technological shift.
Right.
It's a cultural shift.
It is.
It's about empowering individuals to take control of their own destinies
Yeah.
and create a more fulfilling and meaningful life.
You hit the nail on the head. It's about reclaiming ownership of your time, your skills, and your creativity.
This has been such a fascinating and insightful deep dive into the AI creator economy.
It has been.
We've covered so much ground,
We have.
from understanding the basics
Wow.
to exploring real-world success stories
Yeah.
and practical strategies for monetization.
It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you.
I really appreciate it.
I hope it's inspired you to think about how you can leverage AI
Oh, definitely.
to unleash your own creative potential.
And for all of you listening, we hope this deep dive has sparked your curiosity
Yeah.
and given you a glimpse into the exciting world of the AI creator economy.
It's an amazing space.
Remember, it's all about finding the intersection of your passions, your skills,
Yeah.
and the incredible power of AI.
Don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and push the boundaries of what's possible.
So what are you waiting for?
Yeah.
Dive in, explore those AI tools,
Have fun with it.
and see what amazing things you can create. Maybe we'll feature your success story on the deep dive someday.
That would be awesome.
Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the AI creator economy.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive.